Welcome back in my new video for XSI, and this is a little tips and tricks because I discover a little things. When you working, you need maybe the helper, and when you work with the helper, the documentation. If you check, for example, the documentation, you can find online the documentation inside the web, but maybe in the futures Autodesk retired also that because maybe he want to retire. For example, if you go to the wiki, you can find the page, the official page of Autodesk. He said they retired the last release and blah blah blah. Okay, so if you don't want that it's happen, or if you want make sure you have the documentation, you can download the documentation. For download documentation, you can go on sicommunity.com. In this community, you can find the helper. The helper is online. You can still download here, and you can find all way for setting. Okay, so you can find also in the Discord. For Discord, always on SI documentation, you can join here. You can find join Discord. You can click on here and you can find the Discord with all my link for download it. By the way, when you download, you can extract in the folder you want. You can go on File, Preference, and in Preference General you can use Autodesk website, or you can put here your path where you extract your helper. Okay, and another things you can do if you want, for example, if I press F1, is open the web browser, the internal path, and you can find here all things. But you can go, for example, with Alt 5, you can open the net viewer. If you want the net viewer here, you can go to File, Open, and from the browser you can here you can find the simple, for example, the default is that is moved is this, but you can also open, you can copy and paste here the path of your folder where is your helper. Okay, you can find, for example, user guide and US SK guide. If you click here, and here you can, for example, index, you can open in the net view. You can find here your helper. Okay, also that is working offline without also open the browser. Maybe you can close the browser because maybe missing some stuff, or for example. By the way, you can also click on open. You can have here up, for example, you can have here the net neighbor or folder, or you can save that in my preference, add to my favorite. And in fact, here you can find your path where is your folder. So when you arrive here, favorite, you can open that directly. Okay, this is the way for have, for example, your documentation here. Also, for example, you can have if you up SK grid index open, you have the documentation for SDK.